because I want to be great.
And you're not.
I want to be one of the greats.
And I would stop you from doing that?
Yeah.
Yo, you take Margaret to the airport?
Yeah.
You want to talk about it?
No.
I'm just afraid of what'll happen because part of me is still waiting for Margaret to come back.
What? Still? She's not coming back, dude. She's gone.
Look, I know, all right? I know. It's just, I don't still have feelings for her, but I do in a way. It's like this thing that's inside of me, and it's always just sort of sitting there, waiting around. And sometimes I'll see something, or I'll smell something, and it makes me think of her, even though I don't want to.
Nobody exists on purpose. Nobody belongs anywhere. Everybody's gonna die. Come watch TV.
It's like the song says, you do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. You turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Yeah, I don't know if the songwriters put that much thought into the existential significance of the lyrics. They literally rhyme about with about.
But isn't the point of art less what people put into it and more what people get out of it?
Is that the point of art?
Maybe. Or maybe art doesn't need a point. Maybe that's why it's called art.
I can't tell if you're being smart or stupid.
Oh, well, it was nice while it lasted, right?